In today's class we will be learning the topic, national consciousness, integrity and unity. National consciousness is the strong feeling of love, commitment, loyalty and affection that enables a citizen to work for the growth, development and progress of his nation. It is the awareness that enables the individual to pursue the interest of the nation above personal, ethnic, religious or tribal interest. National unity is the deliberate effort made by the citizens of a country to work and promote the factors that ensures the unity of the nation. Factors that promote national consciousness. Tolerance. Tolerance is the quality that enables the citizens to overlook the weaknesses of other people in order to promote national interest. Hospitality. Hospitality is the quality that enables an individual to take care of another person without minding his or her tribal, ethnic, regional or religious affiliation. Intertribal marriage. Intertribal marriage is the coming together of a man and a woman from different tribes, ethnic group or culture as husband and wife. Respect for human rights. Respect for the rights of other people will help to promote national consciousness. A situation where the fundamental rights of individuals are respected, there will be peace and acrimony will reduce. Effective and independent judicial system. An independent judicial system that can dispense judgment without fear, favor or interference of external factors will help to promote national consciousness. Citizenship education. The knowledge acquired through citizenship education will help the individual to imbibe the right values that promote national consciousness and unity. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.